Hello again, class. Today I have another new hat on. This is a nice old Stetson that I got in Missouri. Hope you like that one. Today we're going to talk about transposition. Transposition is when we're playing the same melody, but we're putting in a different key. Alright, and this is really one of the main reasons why I really like using numbers to help me learn melodies and using numbers in general, because it makes transposition make a lot of sense. So hopefully this will make sense to you. So a couple lessons back we did our Jackson Creek Jaguar Spirit song, and that song in the key of B flat. Remember, the key of B flat has two flats, the B flat and E flat. Here and both of our melodies today are in treble clef. So I want to make sure you notice that. This is treble clef and this is treble clef. This one here in the top is written in the key of B flat. Now, if we think about the numbers, this first note of this melody is the note B flat. Every good boy, right? So that is a B flat. The second note is C. So it's 1, 2, and then it goes back to B flat, 1, and then the next note is A, which is 7, going down, okay? Then 1 again to B flat, then 7, then the next note is G, which is 6, and then the last note of the melody is D, which is 3 in this key. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and play this on the flute for you. Alright, now that melody we can do with numbers. Alright, you can go 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 3. Okay, now here's where the transposition comes in. When we look at the second treble clef staff that I drew for you, this is the key of E flat. This has 3 flats in the key signature, B flat, E flat, and A flat. And now the melody is starting on the 1 in that key, which is E flat. Okay? The same pattern happens. We move by step. Remember we talked about steps and leaps before? Same exact pattern, but we just have different notes. Now we have E flat, F, E flat, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, E flat, D, C, and then G. Okay? And the numbers are the same. 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 3. But it's going to sound different, right? Now, since I'm starting on E flat, it'll sound like this. And I can still use the numbers to help me pick out those notes. 1, 2, 1, 7, 1, 7, 6, 3. Okay? Or if we're singing the song, we are the Jackson Creek Jaguars, right? But I'm going to play it in both keys right now. I'm going to play it in B flat, and I'm going to play it in E flat, and that's called transposing. I'm going to change the key of the song. So I'll tell you what I'm doing. Here's the key of B flat. Okay, and here's the key of E flat. See if you can hear the difference. Alright, so transposition's a really good thing to learn how to do for a lot of different reasons. And one of the main reasons is because sometimes on your voice, a song might be in a key that might be really hard for your voice. So figuring out how to sing it in a different key can be really helpful. And that's true on instruments too. Sometimes you might want to learn a song that you really like, but maybe it was written on a guitar, and some of the notes on your instrument are notes you don't know yet or are really hard. But if you change the key, then it might fit better on your instrument and be more comfortable to play. So that's one of the main reasons we learn how to transpose. Okay, so to transpose is what we're doing when we're working on transposition. All right, good.